Good morning, busy students. Today is Tuesday and it's the 9th of June 2020. So our learning target today is that uh, we can identify things that are waterproof or water resistant. So in this video, you're going to see what are things or objects and some materials that are water resistant or we call it waterproof. Right, when they come contact to water, um, the water will just not make it soft and wet. It can be wet, but it will not leak. All right. So, are you ready for our first slide? Okay. So, if you have notebook with you, you can have it just to keep track of the um, things that are waterproof and not waterproof. Okay. All right, so here are some examples. These are objects, right? And some of it are materials. So tissue is made of paper, right? We know that tissues are made of paper. Kitchen roll. This one is like made of, I think this is made of paper. Or if we are talking about rags, rags are made of cloth, right? So this one, but sometimes the kitchen roll, like a welcome mat, sometimes they are made of rubber. But this one, it looks to me that it's made of cloth. All right, so this one is a cardboard. A cardboard is like also made of paper, but a thicker one. And fabric, like this. Fabrics are used to make clothes. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to decide the if the materials or these things are waterproof. So we're going to put an X or check if it's a waterproof, and we're just gonna make an imaginary X if it's not waterproof or if it is not a water resistant. So again, like this, as you can see, these are raindrops or water drops. Okay, tissue. Tissue made of paper. Oh no, sorry, is tissue waterproof? No, right? So we put an X. How about a plastic bag? We know that plastic are waterproof, so we put a check here. How about a kitchen roll? So if a kitchen roll is made of paper, then it is not what? It is not waterproof. If a kitchen roll is made of fabric, it is not a waterproof. If a kitchen roll is made of rubber, then it is waterproof. But I said, like, to me, this looked to me as cloth. So put an X here. How about the cardboard? The cardboard is made of paper. So cardboard is not a waterproof. So we put an X over here. And then here, fabric. Fabrics are not waterproof, right? They are the materials used to make clothes, and we all do know that clothes, if it's made of cotton, if it's made of wool, cotton wool, they are not waterproof. It can get wet. Okay, so now for the next slide, you're going to see the words. So here, what are the things that are waterproof? We have the plastic bag. How about the things or materials that are not waterproof? Like we have the tissue, the kitchen roll, cardboard, and the fabric. Okay, so we're going to have another example like this one. So again, here it's made of this paper bag is plastic. The boots is made of rubber. Metal can made of metal or tin. This is a shirt, and this shirt is made of cotton. And this is a ruler, and this ruler is made of wood. And this is a newspaper, and newspaper is made of paper. So again, we're going to put an imaginary check if it's waterproof, and we put an imaginary X when it is not waterproof. So again, plastic is waterproof. Check. Rubbers are waterproof, water resistant, right? They will not get, if it comes contact to water, it can get wet a little bit, but the water cannot go through it, right? So here rubber is waterproof. How about metal? Metal also is waterproof. That's why some houses, the roofs are made of metal. Have you noticed that? And for rubber, have you noticed that during rainy days, people will wear boots so their feet will not get wet and be with the dirty water if you're walking on the streets. And cotton is made of, and this shirt is made of cotton, so cotton gets wet, so it's not waterproof. X. The ruler is made of wood, and wood is not waterproof, so X. And the newspaper is made of paper, so this is an X. So look at this little kid. Which material is best for a raincoat? Plastic, rubber, metal, cotton, wood, paper. So we know that raincoat, the best material to use to make a raincoat is plastic, right? Plastic. And sometimes they put some rubbers in it, like a thin type of rubbers. Yeah. Okay, but not metal, because metal, when it's there's lightning, it's not safe. And if we use if we make raincoat made of cloth or cotton, then it's not gonna work. You're gonna get wet. And wood and also with paper easily gets wet. For your assignment today, so here, what are the waterproof? We have the plastic bag, the rubber, and the metal. How about the materials that are not waterproof? We have the cotton, wood, and paper. So for your assignment, it's very easy. So you are going to draw 5 objects. So when I say objects, things that we use every day. So the materials that we make those objects, just like plastic, rubber, many others, and we make it into, like, for example, for wood, we make it for pencil. So pencil is an object. So your assignment is you're going to draw objects or things that are waterproof and 5 objects that are not waterproof. Again, your assignment, you're going to draw 5 objects that are waterproof and 5 objects that are not waterproof. Please do not forget to label the name of the objects that you draw. So you can color it, or if you want, you can also find pictures. If you don't like to draw and you want to be resourceful, you can look pictures online and just attach it to a Word document. Okay, and send it to teacher. And make sure to label the names of the object. That will be all for today. Thank you so much for your time. And since you're very good, I'm going to give you this flower. Thank you. Goodbye.